Good morning, children. Let us discuss solutions of SART worksheet 2. So, in that questions are like find the HCF of the following pairs of numbers using Euclid division algorithm. So, the first example is 32 and 54. So, we have to find the HCF of 32 and 54 by using Euclid algorithm. Before going to that, let us divide the big number with the small one. So, big number is here 54. Divide this by 32. So, we know 32 once 32. 32 into 2 is 64, which is greater than 54. Let us take one table. 32 into 1, 32. The 4 minus 2 is 2, 5 minus 3 again. Take 32 as the dividend, 22 as the divisor. 32 take here, we can write here 32. 22 into 1, again 22, we get the remainder 10. So we did not get the remainder as 0, again take down 22 here. That becomes, see, 10 ones, 10 into 2, 20. So we can take as a remainder 2. Till we did not get the remainder 0, continue the process by taking the 10 as the dividend, 2 as the divisor. 2 into 5, 10. Finally we got the remainder. We can stop the procedure. So whatever, for what divisor we got the remainder 0, that is our HCF. This same method let us apply for Euclid division lemma. See, what is Euclid division lemma? We have A is equal to BQ plus R. So by this method, let us take the big one as A. That is 54 is equal to divisor is 32. What we got here after we divided 54 with 32? Quotient is 1, remainder is 22. Quotient 1, remainder 22. Here R is not equal to 0. Now we will continue the process. So now whatever the divisor here, that becomes the dividend. So 32 is equal to, now remainder becomes the divisor, 22 into 32 is divided by 22 table. We got the quotient 1, remainder as 10. Again remainder is not equal to 0. Continue this process. So this divisor becomes the dividend equal to, remainder is 10. 22 is divided by 10. We got remainder 2. Quotient also 2. 2 plus. Since again remainder is not equal to 0, continue this process till the remainder 0. Okay. Now 10 becomes the dividend. Divisor is 2. 2 table divided with 10. We got the quotient 5. Remainder is 0. Since R is equal to 0, we will stop this process. For what divisor we got the remainder 0, that is our HCF. Therefore, HCF of 32 comma 54 equal to 2. Hence the solution. Okay. Hence the solution. Next question is 475 comma 495. We have to find the HCF of 475 and 495. Again, let's go through this method. By divisor 475. Now dividend is 495. By which table? Both are in 400 only. We'll take ones. That is 475. Remainder is 5 minus 5 0. 9 minus 7 20. Again the 475 is here. See what happens. 20 into 2 40. Again 75. 20 into 3 60. What we got the remainder? Till remainder did not get the 0, again continue the process. The 20 is here. Okay. 15 once 15. Remainder is 5. Again remainder is not equal to 0. The 15 comes here. 5 3s are 15. Hence the remainder 0. We can stop the process. The same let us apply for using the division algorithm. See, the highest number is 495. Then B is equal to 475. In that division we observed 495 divided by 475, quotient is 1, remainder is 20. Into 1, remainder is 20. Then again 475 will comes placed to the dividend. 475 is divided by 20. Whatever the remainder we got 20. 20 into 23. So remainder is 50. Remainder is 15. Since the remainder is not equal to 0, we will continue the process. Since here also remainder not equal to 0. Now here whatever the divisor you will take to LHS. The remainder is 15. Continue the process. 15 once the 15, the remainder is 5. Since here remainder also not equal to 0, continue the process. Now 15 comes to the dividend place. We have to take the remainder 5 as the divisor. 5 into 3 equal to 15, remainder 0. Hence the remainder is equal to 0. We'll stop the process. The HCF of the given two numbers is 475 comma 495 is what? 5. So whatever the divisor we got the remainder 0, that becomes the HCF of the given numbers. Next question is 963 and 657. Find the HCF of 963 and 657. Let's go directly by Euclid division algorithm. Euclid division algorithm. A is equal to BQ plus R. So in this the big one you take as A, that is in the 963 and 657, 963 is the biggest. So 963 is equal to, in the place of B we have to take the next small, that is 657. Okay, if you divide 963 by 657, we'll get one table only. 657 into 1. What is the remainder? See, 13 minus 7 is 6. 15 minus 5 is 0. Again 8 minus 6 is 2. 206 is the remainder. Then you take 657 as a divisor, 206 as the divisor. Sorry, next question is 963, 657. Find the HCF of 963 and 657 by Euclid division algorithm. A is equal to BQ plus R. From these two, you take the big one as A. 963 is equal to, the next smallest is 657. 657 into 1 is 657. The remainder is 306. How? 13 minus 7 6, 5 minus 5 0, 9 minus 6 is 3. Then 657 comes into divisor place, sorry, dividend place. Divisor is 306. 306 into 2, 612, plus the remainder is 45. Again, since when we did not get the remainder 0, again then continue the process. So divide 306 ఏమవుతుంది మళ్ళీ into dividend place. The 45 becomes the divisor. 45 6 are 270. The remainder is 36. Again remainder is not equal to 0. Continue this process. So that is 35. 45 is the divisor, dividend. 36 is the divisor. 36 into 1, 36. The remainder is 0. Again R is not equal to 0. Continue this process. Now 36 becomes the dividend. 9 is the divisor. 9 for the 36, the remainder is 0. Hence remainder is 0. We can stop this process. The whatever the divisor, for what divisor we got the remainder is becomes the HCF. So therefore HCF of 963 comma 657 is 9. Hence stop the process. Here remainder got 0, we can take the answer 9. Okay. The another question is, find the HCF of 506 and 1115 by Euclid division algorithm. Okay, by Euclid division algorithm, A is equal to BQ plus R. Okay, A means the big one. In these two, 1155 is the big one that can be divided by 506. In two table it will goes. 506 into 2 is 1012. The remainder is 143. Okay, now the 506 becomes the dividend. 506 becomes the dividend. Divisor is 143 into, we can take 3 table, that becomes the 429. The remainder is 77. Here remainder is not equal to 0, will continue the process. Remainder is not equal to 0, again will continue the process. So this becomes 143 is the dividend. The remainder becomes the divisor, and 77 ones are 77, remainder is 66. Again remainder not equal to 0, will continue the process. So next here the 77 becomes dividend, 77 becomes the dividend, 77 becomes the dividend, divisor is 66 into 1, remainder is 11. Again remainder is not equal to 0, we will continue this process. 66 is equal to 11 into 6, remainder 0, hence we will stop the process. R is equal to 0. So for the divisor 11, we got the remainder 0, that is HCF of 506, 1155 E is equal to 11. Hence the solution.